on, guys? So I thought I'd give you guys a POV of my E36 M3. We got headers, resonator delete, and a supersprint Euro race exhaust combined with a dinan intake up front. Let's see if this is still recording. It'll get loud in here in a second. So yeah, I thought I'd just give you guys a POV of me just cruising on the freeway. So it's pretty noisy in here. I mean, everything's gutted. I have some sound deadening still in here, most of it actually, but that'll get removed soon. But yeah, it's fully built. There's not much more to be done to this car. AST suspension, Hyperco springs, Turner Motorsports sway bars. So it's a pretty stiff ride. Not like anything uncompliant, but pretty damn stiff. S52 motor making around, I think it's about 210 to the wheels. So the US spec E36 M3 motor, the OBD2 version, pretty much a glorified 328i motor. But it's got some good pickup, especially when you drop some weight. You definitely notice how much quicker this car is. Yeah. Sounds great. The induction noise is great. Exhaust note is different than any other M car that I have.